All right, good morning. I just received my crucial test from LabMe. And such. I've done this type of thing before at the doctor's office, never at home with the easy convenience of on my time when I can, which is what led me to LabMe and works very well and convenient for my lifestyle. Like I said, I travel a lot with work, trying to coordinate with the doctor's banking hours of operation and laundry list of availabilities and all that just really is not convenient for me, and I'm assuming for many of us who work for a living. So, anyways, I'm going to go ahead and hit the alcohol prep pad and get going, see what happens. I will show you as I can. Very easy, very small. This just basically is a spring-loaded mechanism that's just going to be pushed right onto your skin very easily. Um, Literally no effort. It doesn't bother me much. So I live in central Ohio, just east of Columbus. We're about to have a little bit of a snowstorm coming. So I think that's pretty good. I'm trying to resemble the picture that clarifies what's good and bad. I'm pretty close. I'm even going to show, for those of you that really want to know, just how much of a mark that it leaves. As you can see, the prick on my ring finger is all that it leaves as a mark. Nothing any bigger. It literally doesn't hurt.